Alright guys, got me a new tractor. It's a Ford 641 Workmaster. It's a 40s model, late 40s model I want to say. Could be wrong about that. The story behind this tractor is a guy had it at a Ford dealership here in my hometown, and then my grandfather bought it. And my grandfather had it for some time, then my uncle got a hold of it, and it sat in the barn for probably 15 years and just went to crap. And then another guy that my mom knows through the family, he bought it and repainted it, fixed it up, and I had the opportunity to buy it, so I got it to keep it in the family. I was using the case tractor for most of my stuff, but now I'm gonna use this because it's my own personal tractor now. I'm not having to borrow or rent anything, but it pulls good. It needs some adjustment on the carburetor or something. That's why it's got an oil pan for the air filter that when it draws stuff in, it circulates it through the oil, I guess, and then lets it suck in air so it don't get trash in the carburetor. But I cleaned that out, and it was terribly gummed up. I don't think that's ever been changed in a long time. So I cleaned it out. The wife, she's the little lady, she's bringing back some gear oil because it says use the same weight oil as you do in the gearbox, because I was going to put some 10W30 in there, but I think it ended up sucking it in the carburetor, and I don't want to do that. So I was going to put some heavy duty, probably 90 weight gear oil in it, is what I'm guessing. Might be a little thinner than that, but that's what I'm going to put in it, and see if that helps anything out. But there it is, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Maybe I can get the tripod out and set it up and show you scraping the driveway some, and maybe when it gets worse than this, because the lawn looks pretty good now, and plus I just painted it, maybe I can set it up scraping my dad's driveway or something tomorrow. But like, comment, subscribe, appreciate it.